some breaking news coming in. There seems to be that a search operation has been launched in Kathua. I repeat, security forces have launched a search operation in Kathua, Hiranagar area. This operation has been launched after locals reported to have seen 3 to 4 suspects in the area. 3 to 4 suspects have been seen in the area of Kathua, and after that, forces are looking. They have launched a search operation. The area is very close to a place where 3 Jaish terrorists were killed earlier this year. So we are getting this big breaking update coming in right now. We'll try to get you more updates. Those pictures are from earlier today. Deferred visuals of the search operation on your screen. We only show deferred visuals. Okay, we have a reaction coming in right now. Let's go ahead and play it out first.
रात को हमारे पास कुछ लोगों ने खबर दी थी कि कुछ सस्पेक्टेड मूवमेंट है, तो हम लोगों ने इमीडिएटली उसमें विद इन 1 आवर रिस्पॉन्ड किया। कल रात से लेके अभी तक हम लोगों ने आर्मी और एसओजी और सबको मिला के, सीआरपीएफ को मिला के पूरा एरिया सर्च किया है। अपनी नफरी वगैरह भी सब जगह लगा दी है, तो अभी वही सर्च चल रहा है, एरियल सर्वेलेंस वगैरह सब कुछ चल रहा है, तो देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है।
All right, let's go to Gursimran joining us live. Gursimran, take our viewers through, what's the information that we have. 3 to 4 suspects were seen in that area. Who are these suspects allegedly, and where is the search operation status? What is the status of the search operation as we speak?
See, as we speak, the search operations are underway in the Hiranagar sector of the Kathua district. This area falls close to the Seda Sohal village, where the encounter took place with the Jaish terrorists, where a group of Jaish terrorists was neutralized by the Jammu and Kashmir police in an input-led operation earlier this year. And now, once again, the locals have spotted 3 to 4 individuals with backpacks on their backs, and they were moving in the area. Their movement was suspected. That was reported to the Jammu and Kashmir police late last evening, after which the team led by SP SOG, the SP operations that carried out the operations in the area. The searches are still continuing along with the security forces, the paramilitary forces and the Indian Army. They are operating in the area to neutralize any threat if it prevails. Because there have been regular these kind of inputs from the intelligence agencies as well, that the Pakistani terrorists may try to infiltrate into the Indian territory and form in trouble. Because this area, this route has been a traditional route of infiltration of the Hiranagar sector, where the terrorists used to enter the Indian territory and then head towards the upper reaches. So this is what the security forces are now searching, and this search operations continue.
Viewers, the farmers have escalated their attack on the central government, and these protesters have started their Delhi Chalo protest march. They've started moving towards the national capital amid heightened security. The police deployment is also very much visible across several borders leading to the national capital. They've resumed their Delhi Chalo protest march. They've placed demands before the central government, and they've asked the central government to hold a dialogue with them. And failing to that, their protest will never end, is what the farmer leaders have stated in their reactions. And now we can see the visuals on your screens, viewers, of how Shambhu border has been fortified. Farmers have resumed their protest march. Drones are also being deployed to, maintain and keep an eye on what's happening. These are live shots coming in. Drones have been deployed by the Delhi police to ensure and monitor the movement of these farmers, and in fact the security has also been heightened. We have Lalit joining us live from Shambhu border. Lalit, take us through what's happening at the border. The Delhi Chalo protest march has begun. Tell us what's happening.
If we talk about the today's march, which has been resumed after a day, first of all, let me show you the visuals from the Shambhu border. A batch of 101 farmers have started their march towards the Shambhu border, and they have reached near the barricades where the police advocate security arrangements have been made. Very clearly from the other side, from the police have said that no permission has been given to cross the border. So announcements are being made so that the farmers can move back. But still there's talks going on between the farmers and the police, as very clearly the police is saying that no permission for the farmers to go ahead from this point. So right now talks can be seen there on the bridge from where I am reporting right now. Around 12, a group of 101 farmers have marched ahead. If we talk about right now, the environment here is a little peaceful here. No such clash could be seen. But yes, farmers are still there on the bridge having a word with the police and asking them to allow towards the other side, as they are saying that they want to go towards the national capital. They are demanding the legal guarantee of their produce, that is the minimum support price. And very clearly they are also saying that if they are not being allowed to go to the national capital, the center needs to talk to the farmers so that the deadlock between the farmers and the center could be broken. It's going to be the 300th day of the farmers sitting here continuously demanding the legal guarantee of the crops they produce. So last year they had dialogue between the center and the farmers. Around 4 times they had a meeting, but nothing concrete came, and after that the farmers have been sitting here in the Shambhu border. On Friday, a day before yesterday, when farmers tried to march towards Delhi, clash between the farmers and the police were witnessed. The barricading, 3-tier security arrangements which were being made, which includes the barricades, which includes the barbed wires and the concrete walls. All those were being thrashed by the farmers on Friday. Around 16 farmers were being injured, and police have to use tear gas to disperse the protesting farmers. But if you talk about today, the talks are going on between the farmers and the police. Continuously announcements are being made from the police that you are not being allowed, not given permission from the administration to cross these barricades. So still the talks going on between the farmers and the police. But yes, a little tense atmosphere can be witnessed here in the Shambhu border. It's been around more than 300 days, almost around 10 months of the farmers sitting here protesting and demanding the legal guarantee of the crops. Back to the studio.